Hi friends, sometime or many time I get this question that can I sell a property, I'm an NRI, and can I sell a property without visiting India? Is it possible? So we'll check answer of that question in this today's video. So let's start. Friend, my name is CA Arun Tiwari and I am an international taxation expert, and I also work for NRI taxation, especially NRI property sale. And I generally get this question that boss, I am too busy here and I want to sell my property. Is it possible I can sell property from here itself without visiting India? So let me answer this question legally, practically as well. So the first important part, is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Second thing, is it practical? Yeah, it is slight a question which I want to answer. Let me first talk about the legally part. If you want to sell a property, you have to give somebody a power of attorney, and then power of attorney holder can sell a property on your behalf. It's very much possible. Now the power of attorney can be given to your parents or somebody else also. Now power of attorney can be two types. One is called general power of attorney and second is called specialized or specific power of attorney. So general power of attorney gives unlimited rights, okay, and nobody want to give that to somebody unless they are your parents and you trust them, right? Specific power of attorney basically mention what exactly the activity you want to get it done through this power of attorney. So you can draft, you can sign a power of attorney which is specific, which mention that I authorize this person to sell my property on this behalf and take all the actions which is necessity, which is required to sell the property and transfer proceed to me. It's very much possible. The only thing, that power of attorney has to be registered, okay, because it's a property matter, it cannot be unregistered. So it's possible that if you're planning to sell property, you can visit earlier, you can sign a power of attorney, you can go to registrar and register your power of attorney, and then that person can do all the procedure. Maybe your parents, maybe your friends, siblings, anybody you trust, it's possible. So you have to visit once the India for registration of that. Suppose you don't want to visit even once. Is it there is any way you can do it? Yes, it's possible. You can go to Consulate of India in that country where you are resident, and you can register from there also. Now you have to check with your lawyer this fact, because sometime what happen, this kind of registration, sometime registrar doesn't accept because they feel unsafe, because it's a transfer of property. It's possible somebody can make it fake, but if it is registered in India, they have more confidence because they can check all the background and everything. So you can check this. There's a possibility that without visiting India, you can go to Consulate of India, and there the registrar are there, and then you can register your documents there, and you can send the documents by courier to your parents or to whomsoever you want to appoint your power of attorney holder, and he can execute that, and he can sell the property on your behalf, and of course he can do all the other procedure as well. So yes, it's very much possible. Only thing, it's a practicality is like that. First thing, you have to check with the lawyer if you just want to do from Consulate of India in that country, and second thing, if you want to come down here, like, it's the best thing, but it's very much possible. Third important part, I would tell you, always give it to somebody you can trust. Of course, if there is parents and everybody, they can take care of this. It's 100% safe and sure, because sometime it can be a problem. So you don't have to be 100% sure. You cannot give it to anybody, because then you can get the property sold, and maybe you cannot you may not get the proceeds. For that, you get it drafted properly. We also draft power of attorney, and we have specialized lawyer in that, because in the power of attorney you have to give very specific instruction, and you have to give instruction that the proceeds should be deposited into this account. So you have to mention your account, so that the proceeds should not be going to some other account, okay. And this copy of power of attorney you have to deposit with the registrar, one copy of that, and bank also, because the bank also is going to take instruction from there and transfer money to your account only, not in any account, and the money has to go to an RO account. It cannot go to any saving account. Understand? If you're giving power of attorney, it's not like your parents are going to sign, then they can accept the money in their account. It is not possible. It is, you can say, a way of illegal, because you are an NRI, and NRI, any income which he is earning he should deposit in NRO account, and from there of course they can transfer to NRI account, or they can take it abroad after filing a certificate which is called 15 CACB, which is a CA certificate which we also issue because we are also a chartered accountant firm. So hope the answer is very much clear that yes, you can do it. If you plan it in advance, you can come down to India, you can sign a power of attorney, specific power of attorney with specific instructions, specific payment terms, and you can give it to your parents or somebody you like or somebody you trust, and they can do execution on your behalf. It's possible without visiting also. You can go to Consulate of India and you can register this and send it by courier or by a registered post, and you can get this thing done. So of course you have to be slightly cautious, but yes, practical, it's possible and you can do it. So in this video, that's all. Hope the query is resolved. If you got any other query related to NRI taxation, NRI legal or NRI investments, you can ask in the comment section, and either me or my team will come back and reply that. And if it is a quite normal question, I will try to make a video like I made this video. And that's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.